Okay, just a little update on the track I'm building for Ernie Mossetti. This is a 130 foot long, 6-lane commercial track. This is a flat road course. Most of today was spent leveling up this area, and the reason it was a lot of work is I wanted to bring up this area and then down this straightaway and around that far turn so that the whole upper bridge area could be basically flat. I didn't want any humps, any rises, any dips. So it starts coming up just after the bridge on the underside, goes up around this corner, continues up, and then the far corner goes up, and then this is all flat and level. You can see these other pieces are going to be attached tomorrow, hopefully. But I'm going to have to lock in the bridge. And you can see the two pieces that go to the part of the sweeper corner. Those will be reattached and locked. They're still attached to the main straightaway, but I haven't put any of the extra bracing in there. And then the far corner and this corner and part of the main straight and part of the overbridge, after I put a couple more sidewalls on, will be all removed and the whole thing will be shoved down there, and then the final assembly will begin by putting the rest of the track together. It's coming out really well. One thing I did, I used to use poplar plywood to go around these tight corners, and it's no longer being made as far as I know. Anyway, this stuff is bendable plywood, not really as strong, but it's going to work quite well. There's 2 1/4-inch layers. You see the gap there? That's because I had already put the outside wall in this corner, thinking that I wasn't going to be able to find anything that would fit in there, and I was just going to build a flat infield area in there. But anyway, a little bit of tape, a little bit of Bondo, we'll get rid of that gap. So it was a good day in the shop. And it should be a really good day tomorrow. Cleaning everything up and hopefully getting it all ready to go together. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.